Hi, this is Phoenix Genesis for PhoenixGenesis.com, and I do YouTube channels, Phoenix Genesis and Fry Camp. So I did camp here last night in my living life on the edge campsite. So what does your view look like in your office cubicle or your home? And even $1 million homes don't have a view like this. Yes, I did be suffered and hounded by mosquitoes and rubbed up against poison oak and sweltered and shivering and climbing up a huge mountain. But you know what? It's all forgiven when you wake up in the morning. Look at this gorgeous view. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. And I did have the rock wall because when I don't have my contacts in, I'm blind as a bat like right now. So I didn't want to stumble in the middle of the night and plummet to my death. But woo! Remember that scene in Wild where the boots, Sheryl Strayed's boot went down, and then she threw the other boot down. I think this is it. This looks like the place. Wow, look at this. Anyway, I have just a little bit of water. I dry camped. I gotta hurry up and get up to the water spot. Anyway, see you on the trail.